Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 3 from exercise 5.1 chapter 5 data handling. Here question number 3, weekly wages in rupees of 30 workers in a factory are 830, 835, 890, 810, 835, 836, 869, 845, 898, etc. You have to find this value and you have to find the distribution table. As you know, we have to make a frequency distribution table for question number 3 and a histogram for question number 4. So for frequency distribution table and the histogram, the class interval in this question is given as 800 to 810, 810 to 820 and so on. So whatever the frequencies we have just seen from the question, we will arrange them in this order. We will find out the highest frequency. It is 900 from the given data. We have seen that the highest frequency is 900 and the lowest we have it is given that from 800 to 810. So we will take the distribution class interval in this way: 800 to 810, 810 to 820, 820 to 30, 820 to 830 to 840. As you know that this is lower limit, this is lower limit, and this is upper limit. This is known as upper limit. So upper limit and lower limit, in between upper limit and lower limit, we will, if the frequency I have said that some values are 810, we will not take that value as a frequency of this class interval, because 800 I have to take in this lower limit also. So here what, how much up to 800 to 809, if the frequencies are in between 800 and 800 to 810, that means we have up to count up to 809, not 810, because 810 will be counted in the second class interval. Similarly 820 I will not count here, 820 will be counted in this third interval. So in this way we will count the class interval. As we have seen that 800 to 810, that means we will count 800 to 809. There are frequency, we have seen that it is 3. So the tally marks will be 1, 2, 3. And from 810 to 820, we have counted that it is 2. Then tally marks will be 2. Count it from your book. See, 820 to 830, only one value is there. So you will count 1, and the frequency tally marks is only one line, and you will write frequency as 1. Similarly 830 to 840, maximum frequency you will get here. Check and count, it will be 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next 840 to 850. 840 to 850, from your book, count it and find out how many you can get from there. It is, yes, it is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 850 to 860, find out how many frequencies you can get from there. 850 to 860, it is 1. And the frequency also you have to write 1 only. 860 to 870, count it, it is 3. So in this way you will find out from the frequency, minutely you have to find the frequency, and then you will find all the frequencies in this range. Keep it in your mind that upper limit you will not take, and the lower limit to the previous number of 870, such as 869 you can take in here. So here I have seen 3, then 870 to 881, 880 to 891, and 890 to 904. Now total you will do all these frequencies, you will add and you will get 30. Already it is 30 workers, so the summation of this frequencies also it will come 30 only. If it is not 30, then there must be some problem, you have to check it again. So this is the frequency distribution table as for the question number 3. Now for question number 4, the question is you have to find a histogram, you have to draw the histogram depending on this frequency distribution table of question number 3. In question number 4, draw histogram for the frequency table made for the data in question number 3 and answer the following questions. After making the histogram, the questions we will solve in our class. Now in frequency distribution table, here I have marked this class interval. Say it is 800 to 810, 810 to 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 900. By seeing this class interval, you can easily understand that the value in this frequency distribution table, which is lying between 800 to 810 is 3, will be in between these two class interval. Understood? Now these are class interval. Now you will ask why this line is in this way, why it is not in the x-axis and y-axis are not in origin, because it is not starting from 0. You can see that the number is starting from 800. That means many numbers are there. That means in between, before it must be 790, then it is 800. So many numbers are there, and we know here no need to show this kind of numbers. Our class interval is starting from 800 to 810. So to show that the number lines are breaking here, there is a kink. So we have to show this kind of kink. Understood? This kind of constriction you have to show here. Now 800 to 810, as the frequency is 3, so you will draw the graph up to 3. 800 to 800, 800 to 810, it is 3. 800 to 810, it is 3. Now 810 to 820, it is 2. So 810 to 820, you can see that this is 2. So this one is 2, and this will be the common one, because the range is 800 to 810 and the next range is 810 to 820. So in this way you have to complete the frequency distribution table. Second one is, see, 820 to 830, that is 1. 820 to 831, so you will do only 1 in this way. Understood? So you will complete the histogram in this by using this frequency. So in this way we will complete the histogram, drawing of histogram. You can see that along in the vertical line we have given the number of workers and to the arrow, and in the horizontal axis, x-axis, we have given wages in rupees. By using this frequency distribution table, we have marked all the numbers, and as they are interrelated, the class intervals are interrelated, 800 to 810, and the next one is started from 810 to 820. That means you have to draw a histogram, and after drawing this histogram, your work is complete. This is frequency table and this is the histogram for question number 4. Practice it, students. Thank you.